Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, see you again with me. My name is Ferronico Rahman from class Technology Information S2 2018 STEMI IKMI Cirebon. Okay, on this occasion I want to create a payroll program for an employee using NetBeans Java to make the employee salary program is quite easy because the program is made simple. But you need to understand the basic of Java programming and the use of NetBeans Java. This is done so that are you not confused when seeing all the tutorial that I get. You need to provide some software support the program such as NetBeans, Java Runtime Environment or JRA, and Java Development Kit or JDK. Okay, let's here to create a payroll program for employee using Java NetBeans and let's go! On this occasion, I will explain how to create a salary list program for employee using Java NetBeans. Here there are a sample of programs that have been made more or less like this. There are NIP, class name, group, basic salary, allowance, and also the total salary. Here there is also a calculation button, save, looking for, receipt, and exit. For example, I will enter NIP, name, then group, then click calculation, then the salary detail will appear, then we save, then we click sort to find the total data that has been stored. We enter the number 1, then it will appear like this. Okay, I will explain how to make the payroll program simple using Java NetBeans. Okay, our first step is to make sure that Java NetBeans has been installed on your laptop or PC. Then we run the Java NetBeans application in a way right click on the mouse, then open. The next step, we create a new project, click the new project file, click categories, Java, then click the Java project application, then name the project example leave of employee. Then we select the browser to save the Java project that we created and then create a new folder for example employee list, then open the finish, it will new class appear. The next step is to make JFrame the site by right clicking on the package and selecting new JFrame from renaming for example employee from the clicking finish. Then a new form will appear and we will run it. Will not appear here. A command is needed to run the program. I have prepared a script to shorten the time. We copy script, right click on the mouse, then copy and paste. Run it program, a new form will appear. The next step is to create a new class by right clicking on the package, then selecting new Java class, renaming it to for example employee, then click Finish. Here the script command is needed to run the program which is connected to the variable in the gframe class from the one that was created earlier. We copy the script, then we paste. Okay, then we will start designing the form. For example, we will make the little label. For example, we gave the name of the employee salary list. Then we change the size of the letters. We enlarge the letters to 36. Okay, then we make the label again. Change the next two nibs. The label, then we change the text to be the name. The label, then we change the text into group. For example, group A, B, and C. Next, we make the label, we change the text into a basic salary. Then the label, then change the next to allowance. Then the label, we change the text to becomes total salary. On each label, I will give the text field. We change the text field variable by right-click on mouse, then choose change variable name. Then, for example, we change name txt nibs. Then our names. Change the variable to example txt name. Then the next field for the group, we change the variable to example txt groups. Then for basic salary, I use a label, for example RP. To change the name of the variable is a LBL basic salary. Then your allowance, for example RP. To change the variable name, for example the name of LBL allowance. Then the last label total salary, for example RP. To change the variable name, we change the variable to LBL total salary. Then we make the button, we change the text to, for example, the calculation. With the variable, we change to the example PTN calculation. Then the next button, we make a save button. Change the text to save. We change the variable to the example btn save. Next, the looking for button. Change the text to looking for. We change the variable to example btn looking for. Then the reset button, the text to reset. We change the variable to example btn reset. Then the last exit button, the text to exit, we change the variable to btn exit. Then we make the label to display the total saved. We change the text to the total saved. We make label again to display total saved. Change the text to number 0. The name of the label, for example, LBL total. Okay, then we will change the font size bigger and thicken the letter to make it clear. We block the letters. Then go to properties, then click font, click right corner of the select font style. Select bold, then click size 14, then click OK. Then it will look more or less like this. Okay, for display program we have finished making. Okay, then we will start coding the program code on each button that we have made, most of which will make definition of the variable we will use later. Okay, we will start use to the menu source menu, the programming view that we will create. Then if the menu decide, we enter the layout list of employee program that we have made earlier. Okay, then we go to the source menu, click on the public static form of the employee. Here I will call the class in the employee class that we created earlier, so that it is connected to the class from employee to show the result in the program design. Here I have provided the script to shorten the time. Okay, just click here, then click the script, then copy the right click and paste. Next, we go to the design menu. We will give the script code below the button to appear when pressing the button. We start from the calculation button by clicking the calculation button and then right clicking select the event, then action is performed. Then we will be directed to the variable definition btn calculation. We block the script, then copy, then we paste. The button then save. We copy the scripts, then paste. Then the next button, search. For use to copy the scripts, then and paste. Okay, button then reset. We right click, select the event and then take action. We copy the script and paste. The next button, the last exit button. We copy the script, then paste. Now we have created the script, then save it. Then the next step is to run the program and see the result of the program by moving the button of the 5-6 keyboard. Well, the result of the program are like this. For example, I will enter names, name, then group, then click calculation, then the salary detail will appear, then we save, then we click sort. To find the total data that has been stored, we enter the number 1, then it will appear like this. Okay, that's how to make employee payroll using Java Netbeans. I hope this video useful, and don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to this video my channel. See you next time. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.